Alright everybody, and today in this video we are learning Python filter function. So it actually filter objects from iterators depending on what we want. And another try with map and the zip function. For example, let's create the object of data, the Pokemon names and their types. And now we have things like Garchomp is UU entire, Gyarados is also UU, Chains is OU, Gliscor is OU, Landorus is OU, especially Landorus Therian, and Reshiram is Ubers. Based on the generation 6 mechanics, let's create a filter and we'll use the filter function. Passing is OU function and the data. So now we need the function. We'll simply type def. It's OU and pass the x here. We'll return x dot ends with dash OU. So it will return every x that ends with OU, and the x is the element in the list. And now if we print the filtered, so it's a filter object at this memory address of a computer. But if we convert this to a list, like this one, it might return all the OU Pokémons of Chansey, Gliscor, and Landorus Therian. So before saying that is it, I have a little tip for you. If we remove this, we can also use a lambda function instead. Lambda, and we'll pass p as the Pokemon, and we'll return p dot ends with OU because we don't need to return because it's a lambda. We get the same result but in less lines. That is it.